highest paying job in the finance industry. Here are some of the most lucrative career in finance. Investment banker are the highest paid professional in finance. They are responsible for advising client on various financial matters, including mergers, acquisition, initial public offering, and debt and equity offering. Investment banker can easily base salary of $1 lakh to $1,50,000 per year, with bonuses can exceed 100% of their base salary. Hedge fund managers are responsible for managing investment portfolio for high net worth individual and institution. They are highly skilled in trading security and derivative to generate high return for their client. Hedge fund manager can earn an average salary of $5 lakh to 1 million per year, with some earning much more. Hedge fund career typically require a strong background in finance, economics, or a related field, as well as extensive experience in portfolio management and investment analysis. Private equity management investment funds that invest in private companies. They are responsible for finding potential investment, conducting due diligence, and managing their investment. Private equity manager can earn an average salary of $3 lakh to $5 lakh per year, with bonuses that can exceed their base salary. Private equity firms typically look for candidates with a strong background in finance, accounting, or economics, as well as excellent analytic and communication skill. Chief financial officers are responsible for managing a company finance, including financial reporting, budgeting, and forecasting. They are highly skilled in financial analysis, accounting, and strategy planning. CFO can earn an average salary of $2 lakh to $4 lakh per year, with bonuses that can exceed their base salary. The average salary of a CFO in the US is around 3,71,548 per year, with top earner making over $5 lakh per year. Qualification and skills: bachelor, master degree in finance or accounting, CPA or CFA certification prefer strongly analytic and problem solving skills, excellent communication and leadership skills. Venture capitalists invest in early stage company with high growth potential. They are responsible for finding potential investment, conducting due diligence, and managing the investment. Venture capital can earn an average salary of $2 lakh to $5 lakh per year, with bonuses that can exceed their base salary. Quantitative analysis are used mathematical models and statistical analysis to identify profitable trading opportunity. They are highly skilled in mathematics, computer programming, and data analysis. Quantitative analyst can earn an average salary $1,50,000 to $3 lakh per year, with bonuses that can exceed their base salary. Asset management involves managing investment portfolio on behalf of clients such as higher net worth individual in pension fund and mutual fund. Assets manager are responsible for making investment decision, monitoring performance, providing client with regular update and reports. Assets manager typically earn a base salary of around $1 lakh to $1,50,000 per year, with the potential for bonuses based on their performance of their portfolio. Asset management career typically require a strong background in finance, economics, or a related field, as well as extensive experience in portfolio management and investment and analysis. Many asset management firms prefer candidates with an MBA or other advanced degree, as well as professional designations such as bachelor or master degree in finance, economics, or business. CFA or CPA prefer strong analytic and quantitative skills, excellent communication and presentation skills, ability to work well under pressure and tight deadlines, knowledge of financial regulation and compliance. A financial analyst is responsible for analyzing financial data and providing recommendation to business and individuals. They analyze market trends, evaluate investment, and develop financial model. The average salary for a financial analyst in the US is around $85,000 per year, with top earner making over $1,50,000. Qualification and skills: bachelor, master degree in finance, economics, or business. CFA or CPA prefer strong analytical and quantitative skills, excellent communication and presentation skills. In conclusion, the finance industry offer numerous high-paying job opportunity for skilled professionals. The highest-paying job in finance include the chief financial officer, investment banker, hedge fund manager, private equity manager, and financial analyst. These positions require a combination of education.